guys, this is Lee, builder of Micro Journal. Today I'm going to show you AlphaSmart Neo2 transform into this enclosure, and it's very nice looking when it's on the desk, and the angle of the keyboard is also very nice to type on. And let's see how it works. So you just turn it on and you will see AlphaSmart Neo2. Hi guys. The reason why I've decided to transform this AlphaSmart Neo2 into a nice enclosure is because I had AlphaSmart Neo2 and I dropped it from a shelf and it broke here. But the internals were all fine. The keyboard was fine and also the display was fine and it was working perfectly. It's just that this part was broken. So what I decided to do is to, use this opportunity to create a nice enclosure for it. And why not use a TypeWriter format that you can leave it on a desk and it can be used for writing. And that's how it ended up in this format. I want to show this, and it looks really, really nice on this beige and black combination. There's a hook on the side where you can clip a lot of things. And also there's a place here where you can clip on a book light and use it during the night. This is a very nice way to use it as a... Yeah, and you can clip on a book light on the back of it, or maybe you can clip on here, depending on what type of book light clip that you have, and you can use it during the dark settings as well. I'm going to show you how this can be assembled. This is 3D printed enclosure. I will have the design files and how to assemble them in my GitHub repository, and you can also order these 3D prints from my Tindy shop as well. All the design files are open, so you can print your own as well. It's very easy to assemble. So basically you just need a screwdriver to screw in those you just need a screwdriver, and that's all you need. And most delicate part will be connecting the cable to the PCB behind, but that's not at all a difficult thing. You just need to push in and clip in, and that's all you need to do. And I'm going to show you how the assembly process is done, so you guys can see how easy. And I'm also going to have some writing sessions so that you can see how it looks when you write. It's very beautiful enclosure and I really love it. It's going to have a strong statement on my desk, and AlphaSmart is incredible device that you just press power button and you're already ready to type, and that's really nice. One thing important is that you need to have the AlphaSmart Neo2, and then you can transform into Okay, we're going to go through how to assemble this. So what you're going to do, first thing you need to do is to install the keyboard. And you're going to pass through the flex cable through this hole here, very gently. Don't pull them, just a little bit of push, then you can get it through. And you might want to have a little double-sided tape just to hold the keyboard in place. All right. Okay, and that's it. Second thing that you want to do is to install the PCB. All right, you're gonna have the battery holder pass through there, and just place the screws. No need to tighten them right now, just to make it in place. Just to hold it in place, and then we're going to put all 4 screws in place. Right. And And once they're all in place, tighten the screw, not too much, just enough that it will, not too much. Tighten the screw that is just enough for the snug fit, okay? Allora, once this is done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the display. We're gonna place it in this orientation, so the longer part goes on the top, and then we're gonna place the display. How it works is that we're gonna use the 4 cm screws on this side. And this could, let's do the placeholder first. So we're gonna pass through 4 cm screws here and 6 cm screw on the bottom. All right, and on the other side, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna put 4 cm here and 6 cm here. Okay. It's all done. Make sure that the film cable is downwards. Then you just gently find the location in between. We're just gonna rotate a bit to find its place. All right. That is all. And then we're gonna flip it and we're gonna see the inside here. And you will see the display connector and the keyboard connector. And we're just gonna place it in the cable into the connector. They should be almost at the right place. Just plug it in, clip it, just plug in the display cable, clip it, and that's it. Let's test it. All right, so it turns on, that's a good sign. And then we're gonna do some testing. And all the keys seems to be registering well. And that, turn it off. And we're gonna put this PCB cover behind. Just gonna snap it in. Don't push it too hard because if it goes too deep in, it can touch the PCB. So just at the surface, make sure that it's flush. And then use 1 cm screw to screw in. Okay. Now we're going to tighten all the screws on each side. Let's go to the other side. Okay, that's it. This is the complete build, and you have a nice writer deck to use. As you can see, you don't need to do any soldering. You just need to have the right screws and a little bit of a cable connecting at the back, and you can have this enclosure. It should be super easy to do, and the end result is, I would say, it's quite nice.